I'm Sarah with WTI. I just recently noticed that the frames in my hallway were way outdated and they were kind of peeling a little, and I just needed to get some new ones. Well, I got these and I am so happy I did. I really like these picture frames from Artmark, and let me tell you all about it. It comes in a set of 10 picture frames, and you can see here that you can either hang them on the wall or you can put them on a desktop or a table, so that's nice. I love how well they're made. They're made of good, sturdy, strong material. I've got pets and I've got kids, and I'm worried about having nice things, and I'm not worried about them breaking these. I think if they do fall, that they're going to be fine. I like the glass inside. It's very strong and sturdy, and they're easy to take out the pictures that come with them and put in your own if you wish. Now, what I do like is that the pictures that they come with are actually pretty cute, so you can leave them in there just as decor, or you could take those out and insert your own pictures. Another thing that I like about these is that if you do choose to take out the pictures that come with them and insert your own, you're not going to hurt your hands. There are 10 picture frames here, and my hands felt fine the whole time. So these picture frames have just checked all the boxes for me. They're exactly what I was looking for. They're beautiful, they're durable, and they're going to last me a long time. But that's just my point of view.